What if your saved folder is actually a map of your subconscious? Welcome back to Anybody Can Journal. Today is day 7 and we are journaling about an Instagram post that made you stop the scroll. I recently saved a post on neurographic art. As I pull these curved lines across the page and soften every sharp corner, I realize why it stayed with me. In neuro art, these lines represent the path of our thoughts, and circles are the goals or harmony we are searching for. By connecting them, we can rewire how we feel. On the other side of the page, I am letting my mind wander into some random shapes, letting the ink flow wherever it wants. I'm not describing what I saw, I'm telling my journal how it made me feel. Was it a spark of inspiration, a moment of realization about your own life? As I draw, I'm writing how this process feels calm, focused, and a little bit messy. Our digital fades are windows into our internal world, and today I'm looking through mine to see what I have been craving. Your saved folder is not just content, it's a reflection of who you are becoming in 2026.